In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable beta or early access features in Grammarly. Have you ever heard about a cool new feature in Grammarly, but you can't seem to find it in your app? Let's take a closer look at how you can stay ahead of the curve by enabling these features, especially those newer ones like generative AI or multilingual support. First things first, it's crucial to ensure you're using a supported product or client. This means you should be working with Grammarly's web app, browser extension, or the Windows or Mac desktop app. If you're unsure whether you're on a supported platform, it's worth double-checking to make sure the environment you're using is compatible with these features. Once you've confirmed that, it's time to navigate your way to the settings. Head to your account, and then click on Settings. You'll want to look for something along the lines of Feature Customization. This is your gateway to the new features. In this section, you might find toggles that allow you to enable options like generative AI. Keep an eye out for other interesting features that may be offered in beta as well. Now, if you are part of a team or organization, like a pro, business, or education account, there's an additional step you might need to consider. Sometimes, an admin might need to activate these new features for your group. You might want to check the Feature Access panel to see if the features you're interested in have indeed been unlocked for your team. It's always good to communicate with your admin if you suspect this might be the case. An important thing to keep in mind is that just because a feature has been announced in beta doesn't mean that everyone gets immediate access. These features are often rolled out gradually. For instance, when multilingual support for 5 new languages was introduced, it was initially available in beta form and wasn't rolled out to everyone at once. If you're feeling left out, there's a good chance that it might just be a matter of time before it reaches your account. Also keep watch for limitations. Not all features are available in every environment. If you're using older versions or unsupported browsers, you might run into some accessibility issues. It's a good practice to check the support articles relevant to the product you're using for any specified limitations. Finally, if after all these steps you still don't see the option for a specific feature, it might be due to your account plan not yet supporting it, or the feature hasn't made its way to your region or device just yet. Patience is key here, as these updates can take a little while to roll out comprehensively. There you have it. Following these steps should help you access those exciting new features in Grammarly. Enjoy exploring the cutting-edge capabilities, and happy writing.